In this video, we will talk about seasons. Let's recall previous knowledge. Can you guess the name of the seasons?
Yes, it's a rainy season, winter season, summer season, and autumn season.
In which season we wear lighter clothes?
In summer season, we wear lighter clothes. Oh, it's raining. Birds are chirping. Wow, snow.
Yes. Do you have seen snow?
Yes, I have seen it when I went to Murray with my family.
Okay. So why there is no snow around you? I mean at your living place.
Don't know.
It's okay. Today we will learn about seasons. Seasons are very old as our earth. Spring season. Tell me when spring season come. Okay, I will give you the hint. Listen it. Goodbye snow, goodbye ice, though of course you are very nice. I am glad you have gone away, leaving us this fine spring day.
After winter, yay!
Yes, you are right. It is known as the most charming season. It comes after the long months of winter, and we sense a relief from cold in this season. It looks colorful and beautiful because of the blooming plants and colorful flowers after a long wait. Finally, we can start wearing lighter clothes in this season and can go outside to play more and more. Now comes the summer. It is the hottest season of the year. In this season, nights get shorter and days get hotter. We drink and eat cold things such as ice cream, cold drinks, juices, etc. and wear cotton clothes. In some parts of the world, people have a rainy season. That comes just after the hot summer. Environment becomes so clear, cool and green because of the rainy water and fresh air. The temperature remains so pleasant during this time. Autumn season. It is a transition from summer into winter. How do you feel when the wind blows?
I always go with my friends to play in the ground.
Winter season. The whole atmosphere is very cold in this season. Nights are longer and days are shorter. Dewdrops at night. Dense fog is seen in the morning. Hilly regions become very beautiful during the winter season. You know a lot about seasons now. Can you sing the poem with your friends?
Goodbye snow, goodbye ice, though of course you're very nice. I am glad you have gone away, leaving us this fine spring day. Here's my good old bat and ball, marbles too. How are you all? I am sure that I can play with you now most any day. Goodbye winter, though it's true, I have had lots fun with you. Now I just could shout and sing, I'm so glad because it's a spring.